Again, after spending 15 of the past 21 years under house arrest. This is Aung San Suu Kyi. She won the Nobel Peace Prize back in 1991. She actually won the elections back in Myanmar back in 1990. But at that point, the ruling military junta annulled those results, did not let them take place, and she has pretty much been in house detention for 15 of the past 21 years. Now, a lot of people have speculated that after the military junta said that her detention expired today, a lot of people wondered if they would follow through and actually release her. Well, we got word, in fact, she has been released, and she looks like she might be picking up exactly where she left off with her push for democracy in Myanmar. We are getting reaction from all over the world, including from President Obama. You'll hear that in just a second, but hear now what the Dalai Lama had to say about the release.
If she released, most welcome, very good. Then this is not only just freedom of one individual, but I think freedom of a lot of people in Burma who really dedicate for democracy. And then also I think image of Burmese government improve. So immense benefit.
So you heard him, not just freedom for one person, but maybe for a lot of people there in Myanmar. The White House also reacting. The president put out a statement. He is still, of course, on his tour of the Asian continent. But the president said, and I'm quoting here, while the Burmese regime has gone to extraordinary lengths to isolate and silence Aung San Suu Kyi, she has continued her brave fight for democracy, peace, and change in Burma. She is a hero of mind and a source of inspiration for all who work to advance basic human rights in Burma and around the world. The United States welcomes her long overdue release. Here's some